Good afternoon. We're getting reports of some Year 2 leavers thinking about what they would like to be in the future. It's over to our roving reporters at Anfield Plain Infant School.
So boys and girls, what would you like to be in the future? I would like to be a vet so I can take care of poorly animals.
I would like to be a pilot to help people travel around the world. I want to be a footballer so I can play for England.
So what's your hopes and dreams, boys and girls? I like to be a firefighter so you can go fast and you can put fires out. That's a bit dangerous.
I would like to be a gymnast because you can do handstands and get better at it.
I like to be a goalkeeper so you can get muddy a lot.
What's your hopes and dreams in the future?
My dream is to be a doctor to help people.
To be a doctor, help people.
I would like to be a vet when I'm older because I like to make animals feel better.
So boys and girls, what would you like to be in the future?
I would like to be a YouTuber so people can see my videos.
I want to be a policeman.
I want to be a forest worker so I can see my dad.
So boys and girls, what's your hopes and dreams? My favourite thing is to play football and train you some new skills. I like to be a taxi driver because I can drive fast cars.
I like to be a police officer so prison is good.
So boys and girls, what would you like to be in the future?
I would like to be an artist because my dad is an artist too.
I want to be a YouTuber because they make activities and stuff.
I want to be a librarian to help people read.
Girls, what do you want to be in the future? Work McDonald's with big road gyms and then just work on the bar. Teacher.
I'm still not done so because I'm good at it.
So boys and girls, what would you like to be in the future?
I would like to be a traveller so I can travel all around the world and see if things are real or not.
I would like to be a movie star to tell facts about cars.
I would like to be a wrestler to win all the championship belts.
I want to go, what's your hopes and dreams in the future?
When I'm older, I want to be a famous prankster, pranking people and making them soak and wet.
I would like to be a mounted police officer like my dad. So Hayden, what would you like to be in the future? Inventor that's going to invent a lot of stuff and get loads and loads of money. So boys and girls, what would you like to be in the future?
I would like to be a nurse and earn money and help people.
I want to be a teacher so I can learn to help children.
I want to be a footballer to score lots of goals.
So boys and girls, what would you like to be in the future?
Animals.
I would like to be a doctor in the future so I can help people when they're ill. So boys and girls, what would you like to be in the future?
I would like to be a dance teacher and I would choose great songs.
I would like to be a teacher and I would be very kind and go on lots of school trips. Alice, what would you like to be in the future?
I want to be a zookeeper and work with the tigers.
I love learning about their hopes and dreams. Back to you, Oscar, in the studio.
We will now leave you with a very special song, so tissues at the ready.
Chapter ending, but the story's on
join us again tomorrow for the final instalment of our Leavers Assembly.